Hello, I'm Laura from Foxtecc, and today we're answering a common question. Can you change your voice in Instagram voice messages on an iPhone? Let's get right into it. When it comes to voice manipulation, Instagram doesn't really have built-in options for changing your voice in voice messages. While you might have seen voice-changing features on TikTok, where people can alter their voices for fun, Instagram doesn't offer anything like that. Many reels on Instagram are just reposts from TikTok. But for direct voice messages, the options are more limited. So, if you're using Instagram's voice message feature, there's no native way to change your voice. The only way to modify your voice in a voice message would be to physically change how you speak, or of course have someone else speak for you. That said, there are third-party apps that allow you to change your voice. You can find these in the App Store, and they let you record audio with various voice effects. However, Instagram doesn't let you directly upload audio files into DMs, which means you'd need to take an extra step. You could blend the audio with a video file and send it as a video message, but this method is definitely more tedious than a built-in voice changer. So unfortunately, while it's possible to change your voice using external apps, it's not a simple process within Instagram itself. These are the options available for now, but we'll have to wait and see if Instagram adds more features like TikTok has in the future. Thanks for watching. If you found this information useful, please like this video and subscribe to Foxtecc for more tips on using your iPhone and Instagram. See you later.